Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and today in this presentation I would like to introduce you to my teaching and learning resource that I designed for children aged between 3 to 5 years old. The resource that I designed is based on National Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Children's Day, which falls on the 4th of August. The resource is a hanging birdhouse in collaboration with Storytelling Experience using an Aboriginal Dreamtime story. First of all, acknowledgement of the country. We respectfully acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we gather today, and we pay our respects to elders past, present, and emerging. We also extend this respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples across Australia. National Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Children's Day is a celebration of the strength, identity, culture of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander children. It's celebrated on 4th August annually. It emphasizes the significance of children, connection with culture, community, and identity. In the context of early childhood education, the celebration of National Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders Children's Day presents a valuable opportunity to teach children about the indigenous perspectives, and this relates to the early years of learning frameworks as well, where children learn to have a strong sense of belonging and identity. Now, I would like to talk briefly about my resource, which is a hanging birdhouse made of recycled and natural materials. The resource I've created is after I read the story, How the Birds Got Their Colors, which introduces children to Aboriginal storytelling traditions. The aim of this resource is to engage children in learning with this story about nature, animals, and culture. I have a strong rationale for sourcing each material. I used recycled cardboard, which was cut so there is a cavity for the bird to sit inside, paper quills used as a cushion, bottle caps used to represent water, a salt dough bird, and a string. This selection of materials was deliberate and informed by theories and research in early childhood education. Recycled and open-ended materials promote creativity, imagination, and problem-solving skills, as advocated by Arthur and colleagues. Moreover, the use of simple and natural materials reflects the indigenous perspective of having a strong connection to the land and natural resources. All the materials promote play-based learning and hands-on learning experiences, which are vital in early childhood education. Introducing indigenous perspectives. This resource can be used to promote indigenous perspectives, including storytelling and relationship with nature. The Dreamtime story, How the Birds Got Their Colors, is used to teach children about Aboriginal culture in a respectful and engaging manner. Storytelling is an important part of indigenous culture and can be used to teach children about their relationship with animals and the world. The learning experience can also relate to the early years of learning framework outcome 1, that is, every child has a strong sense of identity, and outcome 2, where children develop their connection with the world and learn to respect diversity. There are a few specific teaching strategies employed in this activity. Firstly, storytelling is employed as a means to attract children's interest and convey new ideas. Open-ended questions such as, why do you think birds have different colors? Or, how come they are all in different colors? Would be employed as a teaching strategy. Through modeling, respect was shown for culture. Scaffolding is used based on Vygotsky's theory that children can learn in collaboration with the educator. This is a play-based learning activity and a learning activity based on inquiry learning, in which children can learn independently. The approach is play-based, inquiry-based, and is showing responsiveness to the culture as well. Here are some images in which you can see the book is in the biggest picture and other materials to used to make the resource, that is cardboard after cutting in a cavity, paper quills, bottle caps, and a pre-made salt dough bird. It was interesting to make this resource. I thoroughly enjoyed the process and was overjoyed with the outcome as well. As you can see in the images, I couldn't contain my excitement. Facilitation of respectful and inclusive learning. Firstly, the traditional owners are acknowledged in the experience in an inclusive and respectful environment. The children are encouraged to take part in this experience regardless of their capabilities and cultural backgrounds. Visually, touch, and hands-on learning are provided in this experience to cater to different type of learning styles. The experiences adheres to NQS speciality in relation to inclusive practice and cultural responsiveness. There is a strong connection to the theories and frameworks used in early childhood education in this experience. This experience adheres to the National Year's Learning Framework, specifically in relation to aspects of outcome 1 and 2, which includes children's identity and connection to the world. Moreover, this experience also adheres to Vygotsky's socio-cultural theory of learning, where children learn through social interactions. This experience also adheres to Piaget's theory of learning, where children learn through hands-on activity learning. In conclusion, the Hanging Birdhouse resource is significant learning experience, allowing children to engage in sustainable creativity and in indigenous perspective in meaningful ways. The resource helps children in understanding and learning about Aboriginal culture through storytelling and hands-on activities. Most importantly, it helps children develop respect and a sense of belonging in the world. Thank you.